Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, hi, I am also an aspirant just like you, and I'll be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So this vlog is going to be a study vlog, and if we look at previous year question papers, it's quite clear that current affair has always been a major part of UPSC CSE exam. Like any other UPSC aspirant, the Hindu newspaper is also my most reliable resource. I cover the Hindu newspaper in two slots. One is of 1 hour and other is of 30 minutes. In total, I give 90 minutes. Right now, I'm putting a tick or a cross mark on the articles. Basically, I'm segregating them into two categories. One which I can totally ignore or skip from UPSC perspective, and the other which I am supposed to read. The coming video is on this topic only, in which I'll be explaining the thought process behind selecting or rejecting the article. Okay, now we have completed our first slot and we are still left with 8 minutes 22 seconds. After completing the slot 1 of newspaper reading, now I am referring to Drishti IAS site for daily news. You can refer to any website for current affairs which will supplement your knowledge provided to you by the newspaper. So 1 hour slot is almost over, but our task is still not done. So adding another timer of 15 minutes. And it's done. We took almost 2 minutes extra from our allotted slot of 1 hour. Now I'll be practicing some questions provided by various websites. Don't worry, I will definitely tell you the name of these websites so that you can also refer to these sites and practice questions on regular basis. Till then, please look at the questions and try answering them as well. One more thing, please note that the topics covered through these questions were well in the news and also covered by the Hindu newspaper. So if you are reading newspaper on regular basis, then you must have heard these terms. I cannot say about you, but at least in my case, my brain is able to retain the information for longer duration when I practice these kind of questions. So it will definitely help you in the exam if you have already solved the questions beforehand.
Staring at herself in the mirror on the restroom door. Voices in her head that mirror what she's heard before. All the things they said to hold her back, they never seem to leave her head and tend to keep her mind at war. All the things they said to hold her back, they keep her locked inside of all the times when she's been hurt before. Her eyes are swollen as she tries to hold her tears back.
The other 3 resources which I refer to cover current affair is going to be covered in next video. Otherwise this video is going to be a little longer and boring too. So don't forget to watch the other part of this video. Go and watch it now. Bye.